need to put some more in.
I already got the thump net ready. I'm pretty confident.
There you go. Just 10 foot right there. On the other side of it, right there. Good. That should be right on. There it comes. Going to come up to it.
There he is.
That's a good one. There you go.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Oh!
That might have been a 2-pounder, dude. Mm. I knew better than to do that. If I could have kept him coming that first time, I'd have been all right. There he is. It's a good one. He almost let him get out. Usually if they don't hit it on the first time, they ain't going to. I have no idea. I think I landed on something.
Oh, man.
They are being very ornery today. Never felt that one hit. I just kind of pulled up and he was there.
Look at him leaving.
Huh?
Look at him leaving.
You scared them off. Did I make it? Oh, I didn't quite make it. Go ahead, chemo shabby. That ought to be a good one there. You're right on the edge of it. Well, they running from yours. Now they're coming back. Now's when I need to be in there. Got him? That's a good one. Had some coming and some going on that one, and he intersected them. There he is. Oh man, I just old schooled that one. Yep.
Good.
That and we'll fillet it.
Good.
It's on my homemade hand tie right there.
Right in the middle.
Right in the middle and to the left. Oh, kimosabe.
Oh,
And they ain't but about 6 to 8 foot deep at the most. Yeah, that's what we're looking for.
good job, Scooper.
That'll work.
Good.
We kind of got in these docks where they're hard to shoot, so we just kind of been team working.
Left feet. See how close they are to 2 feet. There he is.
You got that right. That's unusual for them to come to you like that. We were trying to get to him in the back, and then
They came to us.
he made the cast, and then they came toward us. See, y'all tried to psych us out, see. Well, I'm glad I didn't make that pitch back there to the back and I hung one, because he just broke me off. They are just still being stubborn.
You're right there on him. Right there. Here he comes. That's a big one.
I got him.
That's a good one.
I felt him hit.
That's a good one. That 2-pound pass?
Nope. We are just having to coax the bite today. Had the wind and the rain, and they're not cooperating too. Educated son of a guns.
Yeah, that's a good shot right there. You're in it.
All right.
You know, that slow roll.
Yep. There we go. Well, we've had a little bit of a dry spell here. Yep. Another one for the skillet.
Right there, 2. Did you make it?
Yeah, that one just come out at me to the right.
That's a good one. That's a big one. If I saw him right, that's maybe a bass. That's a crappie. That's a big. Does it feel big?
Yeah, but I think it's a. Oh, it is a crappie. Well, he ran out there like a bass. He ran out there like a bass. He's not as big as you think, but he is a good one. God.
Pound and a half.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Well, that's the first. Put on a different color hair jig there. That's the best one of the day so far, except for the one I broke off early this morning. That one I broke off was bigger than that one. Well guys, we're gonna call it a day. It's been a very tough, rainy day. We managed to catch a few, but it was tough as I've seen it in a while. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I hope to see you guys on the water, and let's do it again next time. See ya.